Welcome to the Waterpik showerhead installation video. Replacing your showerhead is so easy, anyone can do it, and it takes just a few minutes. Some tools you may need for installation are adjustable pliers and a cloth rag. The first step is to remove the old showerhead. To make sure you don't scratch the fixture, cover the pliers with the cloth rag. Use the pliers to remove the existing showerhead from the pipe by unscrewing in a counterclockwise direction. Once removed, set the showerhead aside. Before you install the new showerhead, you should first remove any old Teflon tape or plumber's putty. Remove your new showerhead from the package. Locate the threaded connection on the back of the showerhead. Make sure the rubber washer is in place. Thread the showerhead onto the pipe in a clockwise direction and tighten by hand. Place the rag over the threaded connection to protect from scratching the product with the pliers. Tighten the connection securely, but do not over-tighten. Once the connection is snug, turn on the water all the way and test all connections for leakage. If leaks appear at the pipe connection, shut off the water, tighten the connection, and retest. If no leaks are visible, you are ready to enjoy your Waterpik showerhead. It takes just minutes to power up your daily shower experience. If you have further questions, visit our customer service page at waterpik.com.